It launches at the interloper. The green flash grabs it and sinks in its fangs. But the jumping jack gets in a well-timed sting. Toxic proteins, 4 times more potent than bee venom, target cells in critical organs, partially paralyzing the huntsman. Worse still, the alarm has been sounded back at the colony. More ants rush in. The spider manages to crush one in its jaws, but has been stung again. The ants work as a team, creating a diversion up front, while one stings the disabled spider from the rear. As toxins begin destroying the spider's internal organs, the once pumped up and powerful legs dangle uselessly. Still the jumping jacks attack. Mandibles slash the spider. A blister of green blood swells from a gash in the abdomen. Still attacking with their razor-sharp mandibles, the jumping jack ants lap up the green belly's lifeblood. In a bug battle, there's no such thing as an invincible superhero. Make one slip and you're dead meat.